Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about top places to visit in Michigan. So make sure to watch the full video. 1. Tahquamenon Falls State Park. Centered around the wonderful waterfalls after which it is named, Tahquamenon Falls State Park lies in the north of the state on Michigan's untouched Upper Peninsula. Mostly made up of fantastic forests and woodlands, it is set not far from the sparkling waters of Lake Superior. Meandering amid the towering trees is the Tahquamenon River, which boasts the park's two most spectacular sights, the Upper and Lower Falls. While the former spans over 60 meters in width and plunges 15 meters down a steep overhang, the latter is a sensational series of small cascades that swirl around an idyllic and isolated island. While hiking along the riverbanks and taking photo after photo of the fabulous falls is very popular, the state park is also a great place to go fishing and canoeing. In addition to this, many people camp overnight to better enjoy the stunning scenery and increase the likelihood of catching a glimpse of the moose, black bears, and bald eagles that inhabit the park. 2. Holland. Set on the scenic shores of Lake Michigan, the small city of Holland lies on the Lower Peninsula, not far from Grand Rapids. Founded by Dutch Americans, the Tulip City is a very popular place to visit in Michigan due to its unique heritage and the wealth of beautiful bulbs lining its picturesque parks and windmill-dotted gardens. While both Velvier Tulip Gardens and Windmill Island Gardens have lots of lovely flower beds for visitors to enjoy, the Holland Museum offers a fascinating look at Dutch history and culture in the States. At the Dutch Village Theme Park, there are traditional buildings to wander around, with a clogs factory, windmill, and costume museum also on offer. The best times to visit Holland are in May, when the terrific Tulip Time Festival takes place, and December, when it hosts a charming Christmas market. On top of its wonderful waterfront and delightful downtown packed full of Victorian buildings, the city also has excellent beaches and water sports for visitors to try out. 3. Saugatuck and Douglas. Situated just to the south of Holland are the twin towns of Saugatuck and Douglas, which lie at the mouth of the Kalamazoo River next to Lake Michigan. Having almost merged into one, the two adjacent settlements are now one of the glittering Gold Coast's most popular resort areas due to their lively yet laid-back vibe and friendly and welcoming nature. Dotted about town are more than a dozen exquisite art galleries for visitors to check out, as well as encompassing not only Isle Royale, but hundreds of small islets in their surrounding waters. This wonderfully wild national park lies in the northwest of Lake Superior, right on the border with Canada. Established in 1940, it protects lots of sublime scenery and is particularly known for its large populations of moose and timber wolves. Due to its secluded setting, the park receives relatively few visitors. As such, you'll often have its thick forests, rugged ridges, and scenic shoreline completely to yourself. Camping is a delight as you immerse yourself in the untouched and unspoiled nature, with wildlife sightings almost inevitable. Besides hiking along its innumerable paths and trails, visitors can enjoy fishing and canoeing on its myriad of mesmerizing lakes and streams. For an unforgettable adventure experience, you can't beat the Isle Royale Archipelago and its fabulous fauna and flora. 6. Traverse City. Located in the north of Michigan's Lower Peninsula, Traverse City lies nestled away at the end of the long natural harbor of Grand Traverse Bay. Divided in two by the Old Mission Peninsula, the beautiful bay boasts lovely landscapes, with Lake Michigan not far away. While the city suffers a bit from urban sprawl, it is a very pleasant place to spend some time. Besides the spectacular Sleeping Bear Dunes National Lakeshore, there are plenty of charming towns and wonderful wineries dotted about the Leelanau Peninsula for visitors to explore, with a wealth of outdoor activities on offer. Known as the cherry capital of the world, Traverse City is home to a handful of great breweries and historical sites. Deno's Museum Center houses excellent exhibitions on Inuit art. One of the best times to visit is in July, when the National Cherry Festival's parades and contests take place. 7. Grand Rapids. The second largest city in the state, Grand Rapids lies in the west of Michigan on the banks of the Grand River. Founded at the site of what used to be a set of roaring rapids, that historic furniture-making center is now primarily known for its burgeoning craft brewery scene. Dotted around town are about 25 brilliant breweries to try out, and many exquisite eateries and restaurants have sprung up in recent years. Besides its drinking and dining scenes, Grand Rapids also has a couple of museums worth checking out, such as the Gerald R. Ford Presidential Museum, which looks at his life and achievements. 8. Sleeping Bear Dunes National Lakeshore. Lakeshore is located in the northwest of Michigan's Lower Peninsula, encompassing everything from dramatic dunes and beautiful beaches to wine-swept waterways and isolated isles. It will delight nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. Established in 1970, the National Lakeshore protects some diverse landscapes with countless species of fauna and flora found within its confines. While its immense dunes hugging Lake Michigan's scenic shoreline are the undoubted highlight, its verdant forests and reflective streams and lakes lend themselves perfectly to all kinds of outdoor activities. Besides hiking, swimming, and kayaking, many people enjoy camping in the park due to the lovely scenery. North and South Manitou Island are home to some great campsites. In addition, there are some interesting abandoned farms and villages for visitors to check out. 9. Detroit. The second largest city in the Midwest after Chicago, Detroit is a major cultural center that has long been widely feted for its contributions to art, architecture, and music. After having suffered decades of neglect and decay, the D is once again buzzing as new developments, businesses, and attractions breathe life into its skyscraper-dotted streets. Long synonymous with urban decline and crime, a glut of renovations and revitalization projects has seen everything from art galleries and coffee shops to hotels and offices occupy what were once derelict buildings. Add in its astounding array of Art Deco architecture, its wonderful waterfront, and large and lively theater district, and Detroit is a fabulous place to visit. While superb street art and world-class museums, such as the Detroit Institute of Arts, can be enjoyed during the day and night, visitors can delve into its edgy and energetic music and nightlife scenes. With so many alluring sides, Michigan's creative and cultural capital is not to be missed out on. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.